How do I choose the right prompt for my task? So I posed this question to Bard, and Bard says, first, figure out the goal of the task. Secondly, the audience. Right? Who will be completing the task? Is it me? Is it some others? And thirdly, the complexity of the task. Is it complex, requiring multiple steps and multiple prompts, or is it relatively simple? And then the prompt should be clear and concise, should not be ambiguous. We really need to do an episode about that very soon, and also be specific. All right, so this is moderately helpful. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So ChatGPT gives more of a step-by-step approach. First, define the task. What's my goal? What's my objective? Am I merely looking for information? Am I brainstorming ideas? Am I solving a problem or something else? So first, we need to define our task. Secondly, we need to be specific. Again, vagueness, ambiguity, lack of explicit context or relevant details are the enemy here. Thirdly, consider the model's capabilities. So the more that we can understand about the specific language model we're using and the limitations, the better we'll be able to choose the right prompt. So GPT 3.5 is different from GPT 4, which is different from Google Bard, etc. Fourthly, experimenting and iterating is crucial. Thankfully, these tools make it very easy to do that quickly. Check for biases and ethical concerns. So these these models lack a moral compass. They don't have a conscience. They don't have emotional intelligence. They don't have any of those things. And so without human intervention, who knows what they're going to generate. And that's, of course, been a big part of the ongoing research. Now, number 6 is fascinating. Use system or user personas. GPT 3.5 allows you to adopt different personas or writing styles using the persona parameter. And this made me say, what? What is this about? So I asked, what is the persona parameter? And it backtracked and said, actually there is not a built-in persona parameter. So this prompted a Google search, which led me to an article about creating ChatGPT personas. For example, giving the example of creating a persona for Abraham Lincoln, or creating a persona of a life coach, and so on and so forth. So that's definitely an interesting avenue to explore. So what have we learned from this? I think the main thing is that you need to consider the goal of the task and the audience. And once you're clear on those things, then you can have a better chance of choosing the right prompt. And in most cases, it's going to be the right series of prompts for the task.